Hi, Lamiery. What are we doing today?
We do waffles.
Okay, let's do it. Lamiery, so we're making waffles. Okay, so what do you have in your hand?
Egg.
Ooh. Okay, so that's the first ingredient?
Yeah.
Okay, let's crack the egg. See. Mix, mix. What you doing?
Mixing.
Mix, mix, mix.
All done.
What was that?
Sprinkles.
Sprinkles. Ooh.
1, 2, 3, go!
Woo.
Got all this. I got the babies.
What kind of waffle?
Ginger waffle.
Ooh, okay. Whoa, look at that. The waffles look amazing. Are you gonna plate them for us too? How nice. And they're in the shape of a heart.
Can we do it? Maybe make a gingerbread and a cold gingerbread.
Okay,
Like this. Come on, let's do it.
let's do it.
Okay, you need all the ingredients and wait. We have to cook it.
Okay.
Strawberry. Strawberry.
Okay.
Eggs.
Ooh. May I have a strawberry? Ooh, can I have some syrup, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. And can I have some sprinkles?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow. Look at that, guys.
Pictures
It
are
looks
big.
so good. Oh, she gave me another little bun. Yay. Oh, thank you. This looks great.
Well, can you get it, please?
Yes. Okay, I'm making Lamiery's plate, guys. All right. So here's a beautiful heart waffle for you because you have a big, beautiful heart.
Can I get a strawberry?
And here is amazing strawberry that's bright red for you.
Thank you.
You're so welcome. Would you like syrup?
Yeah.
We have some maple syrup.
Can I have some sprinkles?
Yes, of course. Let me sprinkle you. Sprink, sprink, sprink.
This is amazing.
Yummy. Yes. So did you enjoy your breakfast today?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys. That's our waffle maker video. So again, Lamiery got this waffle maker the other day. And it's so cute.
I
You
got
can
it
close it.
I got it at the store.
Yeah. And we can flip it. And we can open it. It's so cool, right? So we really enjoyed this, and we have some plates. Strawberries came with it, which was super cute. The maple syrup, super cute. The egg. This actually came with her baby doll. She got another baby doll the other day. Yeah, there. As you can see, Lamiery has a lot of baby dolls and toys and just, yeah. All right, tell everyone bye.
Bye. Subscribe.
See you next time.
See you